Hey, quickly, I just wanted to show you something. This is the original Peak Design Sling, the 5-liter Sling version 1. I just picked this up used, gently used. Actually, the person who I bought it from said it had never been used. Got it off Peak Designs secondhand or the pre-owned store. It's been a great bag so far. It's basically my everyday carry now. It fits my Fujifilm XHS2 or XH2S in there perfectly. Nice snug fit. I've got room here where I could put an extra lens if I needed to. However, I keep an external mic, a little Movo VXR10 or whatever. But the one thing I can't do with that is keep the camera mic'd up and put it in the bag. So what I came up with was I split a couple of these, cheap mic mounts, and I split them apart and put magnets on them. So, boom. So now I can quickly break it down. I don't have to fiddle with unscrewing it, rescrewing it. Mounts on there. And there we go. I tuck it in, it'll zip up. So that's worked pretty well for me.